spinning. He was spinning. He was spinning. Well, we're in. Just got here. I'm letting it cool off. But I got checked in and all that. Everything's set and ready. So I kind of hope they let me do the weekend, because I did kind of get the tech card for tomorrow, but I went and got tech today. But we'll see what happens. But yeah, got the Cuzos, the fam, Chris Dallas, got on, and we out here. So probably gonna look at some whips and then get to the track. Let it cool down for a good 30 minutes and then we're on it. You see this man in the video, boy. Look at him. Damn, he did splurge on him. Cool. Oh, he's got the Sebring orange, ZR1. Man, I cannot deal. I've been looking at C7s again. I was set on the C6. You can get a 01 C6, but kind of just for the money and for the newness of car, dude. I really think I'm just gonna get a C7. Not this, but I do like this color. I like this color a lot. Oh, dude. And he's got the orange sticker to match it, dude. Yeah. Might be the move. Oh, things gonna start it up. Please. Yes. LT5. Goodness, dude. And it's auto. I just don't know if those are 10 speeds or 8 speeds. I kind of wish I would have saw it run. Give me an idea of how the 8 speeds look. This thing sounds good and it's subtle. Man, dude. That orange in person. I wanted to see the orange in person and I am. It's nice. This nigga's the R1, dude. He said Yogi. Chill out. The montage. Nah, never mind. What if you heard that, dude? I'm just sitting looking around. He said, what? You should see the other one, bro. there that day? We stayed? No, that was me and Ty. Well, that's when Cletus wasn't even big yet. We was up there with him talking and chilling. Crazy. He's moving, dude. Sheesh. Oh, he ain't got enough real estate for the quarter though. 12-9. He would have tore me up. Not a 12-7.
Element power, left side.
Alright, so me and my cousin got a bet going on for $1. He's got a Corsa Trans Am, and I got the Mustang. He was spinning. Ooh. Oh, there we go. He can see me. Alright, so going to the car, testing tunes actually running up right now. Oh wow, there's nobody in the lanes. All right, so I'll run to the car real quick so I can get a little testing tune in, and we're good. Woo, can't wait. So let's see how we do.
Yes, sir. That Mustang is a lot back here. All that heat and road charge. That's why it was fast.
Come on, Chris. Y'all, dude, listen. So my goal for this weekend was to crack the 12s. Well, go back into the 12s because my last pass was a 12.9, and I wanted to run a 12.8 or faster. And so we get to the freaking 12.8, dude. We ran a 12.8. First pass out, ran a 12.8. Like, I'm just speechless right now. I don't even want to go back in the lanes. Like that, I don't know how. At 12.8, like I'm tripping right now. Oh my gosh, I'm tripping right now. Let me just go ahead and park in here, dude. I'm tripping right now. Well, quick update. I ran it twice. The first pass y'all saw, I ran a 12.8, and the second pass, my cousin wanted me to hit the two-step, so I hit the two-step. And yeah, it bogged really bad, but it's fine. We got up, we were going good. Got a little froggy going into fourth, and of course, is that Kareem? I think that's Kareem. Remember that GTR I was in? I think that he just went by. But yeah, let me get back on this. So I had it, and I got a little froggy in fourth gear, and dude, oh my God. I was going into fourth, and it did exactly what it did that one night I was racing. And it got locked out. And dude, I don't understand what it is, why it does it, but I got locked out of fourth gear, and I was pissed. I don't know what it is, dude. And so I'm sitting there, and I'm just like, I'm going to get racing a Taurus, a SHO Taurus, and freaking get locked out of fourth gear, and it act like it money shifted and everything. So I don't know what it is with this car. I don't know why it does that. I gotta figure it out because it sucks. So I gotta granny it in the fourth gear every time, and it's just really annoying. So well, like I said, I'm just gonna have to do something like look at it, look up the forums or something to see if it's like a synchro or if it's just something with the MT82s that it just does that. And I don't like it. So we're gonna get some more racing in. I think Kareem just pulled up in his car. I'm gonna see what he's doing, and I'll holler back at you. Dude, this little truck is moving. That little truck. Was it the racing guy? Oh, I can't remember, but he has a YouTube channel. I gotta find it. Les, dude, and it's the On 3 Twins kit. He's got the Ford Racing Danny. It could be me, but then I'm not going to keep my car long enough to do it.
Sell it.
Yeah, I'm going to sell my car for something better. And it's an auto.
Selling hugger.
Dang, you got that 5% tint.
Alright, yeah.
Yeah. No exhaust. Coming straight from the mid-pipe problem. Golly, I love these cars, dude. Really wanted. I really looked into doing a Twins kit because even with the On 3 kit, their On 3 kit is stupid cheap. Very reliable. And as you see, like, this car is fast. Like, this car is very fast. Like, he was consistent times all night. But I don't think I'm going to keep my car long enough to do it. I don't think so. But I like this setup a lot. Man, look at the intercooler. I really like the intercoolers, too. They look good. Oh, it's just such a nice kit. No! Got him.
Only whenever it's necessary, dude. If not, he'll give me a lecture.
Oh no, Stu! There it goes. There it goes, Axel, baby. And I got it on video. I'm happy. Oh. Swirly at the end. Let out at 9. I remember finally waking up and walking to the upstairs and laying on the couch. No prep season. No prep season. It's so funny. Oh shit, I got the flash on still. Whoops. Alright, so we're about to bounce out of here. Go head to the hotel, meet up with the Cuzzos, probably chill for a second, you know what I'm saying? I got my little numbers and whatnot from racing tonight. Ooh, super far. And they just closed everything for the track. Dude, Justin, the ZR1 is so nice in person. Actually, I can't wait to get a C7, but we'll talk about that around TX2K. But that'll be it for this video. And like I said, we're gonna kick it tomorrow, get lit. He's coming up tomorrow. And like I said, his new truck is nice. Hold on, get overview your truck right fast. Is it dirty? And he got the LEDs on the ground. That's nice. So he's got the new Johns. The new John. Dang, must be nice to have AC. Nice. Feels good in there. I don't have AC. Sucks. So like I said, it's the end for this video. So till tomorrow, y'all. Take it easy. Nah holla.